everybody for Nigeria where they go meet, where they do business, where they go meet government for dollars. Any business where they do for this country, where they go meet government, say I need dollar. That person is living off the blood of this country.
Seun Kuti Emefiele Kuti máa ti fohùn ìkìlọ̀ ránṣẹ́ sí gbogbo àwọn tó ń ṣòwò Nàìjíríà mọ̀kùmọ̀kù, gbogbo àwọn Dangote, àwọn Emefiele, àwọn politician Nàìjíríà tó jẹ́ pé bó ṣe wù wọ́n ni wọ́n ṣe ń ṣòwò dọ́là, tó jẹ́ pé owó epo rọ̀bì Nàìjíríà, crude oil wa ní Nàìjíríà ni wọ́n fi ń gẹ̀tì dọ́là ọ̀hún. Ó ti fi ọ̀rọ̀ ránṣẹ́ sí wọn wípé gbogbo èyí tó ń ṣe yìí kò ń ṣe fún national development. Ó ní ara wọn náà ṣe fún ó sọ fáwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà, ó ní kán má jẹ́ kí anybody kó tàn wọ́n wípé gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣe yìí wọ́n hide behind personal vendetta and hypocrisy. Ó ní kò sí consistency Nàìjíríà. Ẹ máa gbọ́ gbogbo àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ yìí lórí ọ̀rọ̀ bí wọ́n ṣe ń ṣe dọ́là, gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n kó dọ́là jọ fúnra wọn, tí wọ́n fi ń build property fúnra wọn àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Nínú New Year message ló ti sọ̀rọ̀ yìí tó title ẹ̀ ní Stop the Nonsense. Ibẹ̀ ló ti fọ̀rọ̀ ránṣẹ́ sí Dangote, Emefiele, tó fọ̀rọ̀ ránṣẹ́ sí ìjọba àti gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n ń ṣòwò òlò mọ̀kùmọ̀kù. Ó wá sọ àwọn kankan nípa bí àwọn ẹ̀ṣọ́ parọ́ pé national development làwọn ṣe nǹkan kan fún àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Ó ní irọ́ ni o, irọ́ ńlá ni. Àlàyé yìí tú ọ̀rọ̀ kalẹ̀ o, àfi kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ o. Welcome to Digi Nigeria. Remember to like, share and follow us. Ẹ gbọ́ gbogbo bí wọ́n ṣe ń tọ́jú dọ́là tó fi ń fa dollar scarcity, tó ń fa gbogbo èyí tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà. Ẹ gbọ́ ohùn lẹ́nu Seun Kuti.
Just the way una so-called billionaires go dey hide their own personal development behind national development. Say because they build house where they make money from, where they rent for millions of dollars. Say they develop Nigeria. They go they do personal business. Say then they develop Nigeria. Una say see everybody for Nigeria where they go meet, where they do business, where they go meet government for dollars. Any business where they do for this country, where they go meet government, say I need dollar. That person is living off the blood of this country. Nigeria they print dollar. Shey na say for CBN we get dollar printing machine. When federal government carry $1 million give somebody, $10 million give somebody, 2 billion give somebody, yes, they give somebody 2 billion. More no, they see the name. Like say I don't know who the person be. Una guard them. Give this one $100 million. Now, where you say that dollar they come from? Shey central bank they print dollar ni. Why the person no fit do business we go bring dollar? As me a day like this, so every dollar where they spend for this country, now me they bring and enter this country by myself. And they bring them and they put them inside this economy. No, but nothing from Nigeria. Direct and they bring and put for this country. Every cent of dollar where me I they spend for this Nigeria. I never request, I never collect basic travel allowance. And although as Nigerian citizens, that one is open to all of us.
I beg borrow.
And it is our
all of you, you know the person. You don't go they pretend say you don't know the person when they talk about Benny. Òun náà ni ẹ ń gbọ́ lẹ́nu Seun Kuti tó ń sọ gbogbo bí wọ́n ṣe ń ṣe dọ́là wa mọ̀kùmọ̀kù. Wọ́n fi resources wa tí wọ́n fi ń build personal property and business tí wọ́n. Àfi kí Olódùmarè ọba kó gba Nigeria.
Our money is so useless, we can't change it anywhere in the world. So yes, give me my money. Let me go and take naira. Yes, I understand that. But when they give people billions and hundreds of millions, where do you think it comes from? They'll take and do personal business. When they tell you, say they better pass you. They can do their own personal business. You consider personal business is part of national development. I think the thing they irritate me. They go build private house full everywhere. When nobody feel afford, when they tell you, I say, develop. You they build your own property, personal property, where you they make money from. What has that got to do with the nation? But na national resources that they fund.
Abi o, abeg gboro. All of you, you know the person o. You no go dey pretend say you no know the person when they talk. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn, kí lè ròyìn lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí? Ṣé bó ṣe rí náà kọ́ nìyẹn ni? Ó wá sàn kankan, ó ní àfi kí àwọn èèyàn kan kúrò nínú darkness nínú ọdún tuntun yìí o. Kán mọ bó ṣe ń lọ, kí wọ́n lè gbé ìgbésẹ̀ tó tọ́ àti ètò yẹn. Remember to like, share and follow us. Drop comment yín. Thanks for watching.